Good morning.
Good morning. Are you Michael Pelican?
Yes.
And Mr. Pelican, and this is, see, did you get someone hired?
No, I did.
Take your hands out of your pockets. It's literally almost 100 degrees outside. Why are you wearing a jacket?
I knew it was gonna be cold.
Did you? Okay. Did you get someone hired?
Oh, no, no.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Miss Brittany, James Mackin,
Mm-hmm.
and Thomas Butterick.
Okay. Are you working?
No, no.
Why not?
The job I was working at, they wasn't paying me enough for what I was doing.
Well, they were paying you more than zero, weren't they?
Yes, ma'am. I'm currently looking for a job now.
Yeah, but why would you quit a job before you have another job? That didn't make sense, does it?
You're right, they were stupid.
Yeah. If I test you this morning, you gonna have anything in your system?
No.
Let's double check that. Have a seat in the jury box. All right. When's the last time you smoked marijuana? So listen before you answer that, because you already told me you were going to test negative. So you already haven't told me the truth this morning. Before you answer that, you need to understand that what's going to happen after today is you're going to be wearing a drug patch, and it's going to test the amount of THC in your system.
Yes.
So I'm going to know within 2 weeks how much.
Yes.
So when was the last time you smoked?
Like 2 weeks ago.
What made you think that was a good idea while you were waiting on coming to felony court?
It was.
Same kind of decision like quitting a job before you have another one?
Yes.
Maybe some of those bad decisions are because you're smoking marijuana. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to have a drug patch put on within 24 hours. So tomorrow by noon, you will have a drug patch put on. Those drug patches, you have to get changed every 2 weeks. You have to make sure it stays on. There's no, oh, it fell off in the shower, whatever it takes. I want it on. I want it testable, and you have to have it tested every 2 weeks. I understand, based on what you told me, that you should probably test positive one more time. After that, the amount should be almost nothing. If it's not, then I'm going to have to assume that you're still using, and then your bond's going to be raised and you're going to go to jail, which is what could have happened today. Okay? It's a violation of the law. It's a violation of your bond condition to use anything. And at this point, I'm going to order you use nothing that could test positive with THC. I don't care if it's legal or illegal or whatever. So you can't use anything. I need to know that you're clean from everything. Make sense?
Yes.
And then you need to get a job, which will be a whole lot easier if you're clean, and bring me proof of what you've done to get a job between now and the next court date.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. Good morning. You're Ashton Baldwin.
Yes, ma'am.
And Miss Baldwin, how old are you?
18.
18. So from now on, you can look around and see how people are dressed when they come to court. This is felony court. This is where you can go to prison. You don't show up wearing shorts and go find some pair of sweatpants. Sweatpants aren't allowed. Shorts are for sure not allowed. All right. This is somewhere where you need to dress as nice as you possibly can in the future. So this is your initial appearance, Ms. Baldwin, in cause number 26 DCCR. I mean, Mr. Baldwin, I'm sorry. In 26 DCCR 0899, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity. And that is from March 1st of 2026. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
My father told me he was gonna talk to Burbank.
Okay.
I don't know if he did though.
So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If someone's helping you, that's great. But ultimately, it's your responsibility to make sure you talk to at least 3 lawyers. All right. If you get someone hired before the next court date, you just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. But if you're not able to hire someone, then again, you need to talk to at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order. Do you understand?
No,
If I test you this morning, you can have something in your system?
ma'am.
Have seen the jury boxes, double check that first. Same thing. When?
We on?
Yeah.
Before I went to jail on my misdemeanor.
That doesn't tell me anything. When's the last time you smoked or used anything that contained THC in
Like
it?
more than 3 weeks ago.
Good. Obviously, that's not a good idea while you have a felony pending. Do you understand that now?
You know,
I don't care, again, just like I told him, I don't care if it's legal, illegal, if it has anything that's going to make you test positive for THC, you're not allowed to use it at this point because I have to make sure you're not doing anything illegal, and that's the only way I know. You're going to be required as a condition of your bond to have a drug patch put on within 24 hours. So between right now and tomorrow at noon, I want proof to your bondsman that you have that drug patch on. They can tell you where to get it. It's a patch that goes on your arm. It's up to you. You better keep it on there. Make sure it stays. You have to go every 2 weeks, get it changed. If yours should be barely positive this next time, it's going to have the amount in your system on it. So it's not just a positive or negative. So I'm going to know if your amounts are going down or not. If that amount's not going down and if you're not clean within 2 patches, I'm going to assume you're still using, your bond will be raised and you're going to be back in jail. Do you understand? Any questions about that? So I want everything same that I already told you. You need to work on getting a lawyer. You need to work on having a job and bring me proof of all of that. Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you a reset notice.